Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. So I'm definitely still very bullish on gold, especially on the higher time frames. I think it needs to hit that 161 before we see a pullback for the wave 4 and then another wave 5. So basically what that tells me is we're anywhere from maybe a year to a year and a half away from this uptrend being over. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I think this is very likely a 1, very likely a 2, and I think that this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. I still think this is going to make its way all the way up to the 61.8 Fibonacci extension to finish off this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is very likely a nice downtrend right here. Looks like 5 waves of A. I think this right here is like a double zigzag wave B. And I still stick to the fact that this move down is likely a wave C. If it breaks and holds structure like I've been saying, which it did break, but so far it's not really holding on the daily. If it holds above structure, then I'm going to say this is the end of a correction. If it rejects structure, then it's definitely possible that it goes down to one of these lower fib levels before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure, and on the 4 hour time frame, it's definitely kind of holding above structure too. Now I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. If this is a true break of structure, then this move down would be a correction to the move up, and it would make a higher low, bounce off a fib level, and end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining on the 4 hour, if this is the end of a correction with a break of structure, this move down that we're currently getting is going to be a correction to this move up. Now we definitely have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here, and we do have a break of structure. So I would expect to see probably a pretty decent pullback, probably at least a pullback that would at least go down, break the wave 4 structure, would put us to at least to the 38 or the 50%. If price goes down to one of these fib levels, makes 3 waves down, makes a big engulfing move up, then that's exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So definitely pay attention to your fib levels. I mean, if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, you could definitely be looking for shorts right now. But just be aware that there's a good chance that this is going to be a correction to the last 5 waves up, and there's a good chance that we will bounce off one of these fib levels and end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.